And it is currently 7:13 in the morning. We were supposed to be on the road by 6, but both of us were sluggy McSluggers.
We needed a little extra moment.
Yeah, so better late than never.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a hot one today.
Yeah. And a high UV, and I was reading the Google reviews and they said there's gonna be lots of bugs.
Yeah, so we got our pant layers, we got our other layers, and we're ready to see some birds.
We are.
I would love to see a wood duck today, and also a hooded merganser. I still haven't seen one. FML.
We'll see one.
We'll see one.
Yeah.
And
obviously sandhill cranes, of course.
killers.
Not just to fly over too. We want to see them on the ground.
Yeah, and you also want to see a Sora.
Yeah, I want to see a Sora. We made it.
There are so many Franklin's gulls. We saw blue heron, more bobs,
Lots of stuff. Yeah.
We are so happy to be here.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Hello.
So cute.
Hi. We've made it. We're eating. Oh my god, this is a good bun. Breakfast sandwiches from the Stoop Cafe.
Delicious.
Oh my god.
I don't know how we're gonna focus on eating when there's 12 million birds around us.
Literally. Continues to eat. Okay, we got fortune cookies from the Stoop. I keep wanting to call it the Nook. The Stoop. And we also got the goods.
To wash it all down.
Okay, cheers. Oh, sorry, I thought you opened yours.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Christina Aguilera in the back.
What's yours say?
Know the right moment and make your move. Oh.
Mine says, your hidden creative talents will soon be revealed.
Whoa. Pretty cool.
So cool. I love fortune cookies.
Me too.
That sandwich was like exactly what I needed.
It was so good.
Thank you, Stoop Cafe.
Thank you, Stoop. Would go back 10 out of 10.
Would you drive 3 hours just to go there?
No.
Me neither. Respectfully. I'm putting out. Look at this guy's camera, everyone. He's a real life birder. Luggage full of cameras. We're just walking to part 1 of Frank Lake. Very big lake. So it's insane how many things we've seen already. But we'll keep you updated on our travels. Things we've seen in the last 5 minutes. An eared grebe. A white-faced ibis. An eared grebe. Orange spread, which I've never seen before. I've never seen one either. We just saw a pelican. We saw the black-crowned night heron. Allie heard a Sora. Sora, hello.
Hello.
And we literally just got here.
It's
So
gonna be an action-packed day.
100%. That was
It's just an immersive experience
it's
to be
very
here.
immersive.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
Yeah.
I feel like we're getting some good footage too.
Yeah, definitely.
But we just chugged some electrolytes and we're gonna get back out there.
See what else this day has in store.
Woo! Bye.
Bye.
have reached the Inglewood Bird Sanctuary. Not without getting pulled over. Because apparently I was speeding.
She's just a speed demon.
I'm a speed demon, but I had no idea. I noticed that all of the vehicles were like pulling into one lane and going slower, but there was no sign anywhere saying that speed limit was 50.
Yeah.
I did slow down a wee bit, and we passed a cop, and I was like,
And he was looking at us.
and he was looking at us. My tail light was burnt out. I was like, maybe it's that. But we made it.
Yeah.
So
We were
anyway,
let off with a warning.
we were let off with a
was
warning.
given.
No ticket. Big update.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. First bird that was seen
Yeah.
as soon as we got here was, drumroll please, a wood duck. A wood duck. And if you have not seen a wood duck before, let us tell you.
They are pretty sick.
We'll tell you after this pedestrian passes us. To carry on. Wood ducks are by far one of the coolest looking birds.
Drippiest.
What?
Drippiest.
Drippiest looking birds. We'll see if we can get good footage of it.
Yeah. I feel like we will be able to.
Life is a treat.
What a successful event.
Successful AF.
We are all done for the day. Just got our squishy. Cheers. And now we're en route back home.
Back home. Country roads take me home. Also, I burned my stomach. How does that make sense?
Damn.
The only part I burned.
Those rock hard abs were just poking out too far.
Oh, dang it. Gee, dang it. Anyway, homeward bound, ETA 7:45.
Okay.
Good timing.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
yeah, any big highlights from our last big fair?
Definitely the wood duck was really cool.
Yeah. Was that like your whole day? What was your whole day highlight? What would you say?
I think just like being around so many cool birds at Frank Lake, like
Yeah.
just the amount of birds was sickening.
It
Like
was
it was so cool. But
From like the
yeah.
second we drove in, there was like shit everywhere.
Yeah,
And we were like,
yeah, and just like you open the door and there's like so many bird calls and
yeah.
yeah.
Anyway, it was, sorry, it's good. It was very cool. And I think we need to go back.
Yeah, one day for sure. I wonder like at the end of the season.
Totally.
Yeah. But yeah.